Microwaves fail for a variety of reasons. One of the most common symptoms is a total failure to turn on, and a probable cause of this is a blown internal fuse. Here's how to fix it. Firstly, as with all electrical appliances, unplug the appliance. Remember that microwaves, even when turned off, have high voltage capacitors, and these must be discharged before working on the appliances. The simplest way to do this is to wait for an hour. If you haven't the time or patience, it can be done manually, but that is a different video. Next, remove the cover. This, an Ambiano unit brought from Aldi some years ago, is held on with 8 screws and slides off backwards. Once the cover is off, the fuse can be located. In this case, it's on a circuit board near where the main lead enters. The fuse rating may be shown on the circuit board, as in this case, or the information may be in the manual or online. As well as the rating, you need to know the size of the fuse, as they vary. This one is 20mm. A pack of 3 costs around £4 or $5 on eBay. And once you have the pack, you will then have spares in case the repair needs to be repeated in the future. To change the fuse, simply prise it out of the retaining clip and insert the new one. Once this is done, the repair can be tested by turning the appliance on. Take care at this stage to keep your hands away from it. Turn it off again and keep other people and pets away for another hour, again to allow the capacitor to discharge. Finally, replacing the cover is the reverse of removal.